Hey, what's up everybody? It is your girl Mannie and welcome back to Inspire Today. So today I got another video for you guys for this daytime work appropriate, quote unquote, work appropriate look. It is very subtle with that hint of glam. And can we get into my skin? Like, this Bobbi Brown foundation is like your skin, but better. Like, I can't stop. Even though it is full coverage, it's a medium to full coverage foundation, you still see, like, around my jawline, I do have some dark spots from when I was breaking out. But you do kind of see that, but it's very subtle. But you do have that glow, and I'm loving it. You get, like, thumbs up. But yes, if you would like to see how I did this, just stay tuned for that. And also don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Now let's get to it. I'm just taking my NYX eyeshadow primer and just priming my eyelids. And I'm going to set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, or just any translucent powder that you have to prevent any creasing. So to start off this look, I am going to go into my NYX Adorable palette and taking the second lightest brown color and just using that as a transitional color. There's no name to it, so I'll just leave a picture of it somewhere. And going with my It's My Ray Ray palette, I'm going to go in with Control Freak and putting that right underneath it. So back with the NYX Adorable palette, I'm taking the darkest brown color and just putting that in the outer V. We're back at it again with Control Freak. Okay, so again in the It's My Ray Ray palette, I took the color Spice and I'm just putting that directly into my crease. Just concentrating it there. And now we're just gonna blend all of those together. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, so now I am taking ColourPop color, their Super Shock Shadow, and the color Boy Band, and just putting that all over our lids, and it's a nice coppery color. It's better when you apply it with your hands, but I didn't want to use my hands. And I'm just using the e.l.f. cream eyeliner just to kind of tight line my eyes, not really doing much of a liner look. And we're keeping it real simple with just mascara, and I'm mixing the Benefit Their Real mascara with the Maybelline Bishock Colossal, and this is just the darkest black, the one that Makeup Shayla collaborated with them with. Now, let me tell you about this foundation. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation, full coverage, oil-free shine control. Let me tell you about it. You've probably seen it where I use one pump, and you're about to see it. This is how my face looks with one pump. I'm gonna add another one, but this is a medium to full coverage foundation with a matte finish. This foundation matched me exactly, and it has been a very long time where I walk into a store and I walk out with a foundation that has sold me on the first try. I normally have to wear them for a while and fall in love with it, but this has completely got me. I don't know where I have been, but Bobbi, you sold me. Like, you got my coins on this. It is your skin, but better. That is the best way to explain it. So I'm just gonna blend out my concealer, which, because since I normally get foundations that don't match me exactly, they're normally a shade darker, my concealer now is a little bit too light. So I went back in with the same foundation brush to kind of blend it out even more and make it, add a little bit of color to it, because yeah, we don't want to be looking too ghostly. So now I just took my bronzer, which is MAC's Refined Golden, and just gonna bronze up my face. And I just took my translucent powder and I'm wiping that off. But I used that same brush, but I'm not baking or anything. I just took it and wiped it off to set it. And then I just took the color Spice and I'm just putting that underneath my lashes. And I'm taking the highlighter French Toast by It's My Ray Ray, and I'm just gonna highlight, put some glow. Now here, I am making my own lipstick color because I could not find my other liner. So I used NYX Espresso, which is way too dark for the color Yash by MAC that I use, which is like a super like nudie nude. So I sat there and really blended them together to get my color that I wanted. And this is the final look. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Comment down below and see ya.